I am at the Beehive in the Valley of Fire. This is definitely one of the most spectacular places that I have been. I am so happy that I finally got to come here. It is absolutely breathtaking, the scenery. Unbelievably beautiful. Doesn't get a big play. It's a state park. It's not a federal park, but it has great beauty. I'm going down this path here, so I'm going to be a little bit shaky, and I'm trying to get you the best shots that I can, so you get the full effect of this incredible beauty. Everywhere I look, the scenery gets more spectacular. Oh, don't miss this one. If you're in Las Vegas, don't miss it. This is a beautiful place. Wow. The video of this is incredible. Keep saying the same things over and over, but can't help it. You know me. Have you seen my other videos? Absolutely beautiful. Wow. Some people way up there, they climbed up on there. I got more for you, hang in. Beautiful rock formations all the way along here. If I can just get you, it is breathtaking. I said it, I'll say it again. How this happened is incredible. My goodness, look at this. Looks like it was carved. It looks like it was all carved out. Wow. Wow. Man, one place after another just gets better and better. Wow. Look at what's going on here. Absolutely one of the prettiest places in the Southwest that I've been. Definitely deserves a couple of wows. Wow. Yep. Okay, more to come. Beauty at every single turn. I think if the camera shows half of what I'm seeing, this is unforgettable time. Wow. There's Annie hiking through the Valley of Fire. Okay, there's still more to come, a lot more. Stay tuned. Just taking a fabulous walk through the Valley of Fire in rock formations like I have never ever seen before. Well, there are incredible moments in your life, and well, I have to tell you, for me, this is right at the top of my list, my bucket list. This was a place I've wanted to come for a long time. I'd put this very close second to the Grand Canyon, and even then I'm not sure. The beauty of this place is indefinable. I can't even describe it. It's so beautiful. Wow. Every single turn, something spectacular. Every turn. And the vegetation is beautiful. It's a green, beautiful light green color. It's all over, thousands of them. But it doesn't get any better than this. My simple words cannot describe it. Well, I can't wait to get this posted, because it's going to be one of my best. Breathing a little bit heavy, but worth every breath. The moments in life that take your breath away. I've just had quite a few of them in this last hour. This, probably have to do 2 videos on this one. Okay, I'm on my way back up. And there's Annie. We met at the pass. She came around the other way. Wow. So anyway, this section, I'm going to end it for this part and tell you this has got to be one of the top 3 on your bucket list. like no place ever that I have been. Here she comes, the blonde bombshell. Okay, folks, you know what to do. Like and subscribe, and you'll see more of this.